Bailey, I'm really thirsty.
Okay, then go get a drink. Someone scared cat.
What did you say?
There's nothing to be scared of.
Like I'm scared.
Whatever. Lily's going to get a drink, and she'll be back. Okay. Oh my God, what was that? Oh my God. Lily, where are you? Lily. My leg. Oh my God. Did you break your leg? Help. Oh my God. Are you okay? Oh my God! Get out of here! You freak! You monster!